Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our articles and some suggestions. From here we have to go into the profile menu, then it opens up like this. We have to scroll down to the bottom, tap on settings, then on account settings, and then at the very bottom we find delete my account. If we tap on this, we can type in at the top why we are deleting our account, and then we can tap on this, that I confirm that all my transactions are completed, and then just proceed by tapping on the delete account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.